In this video, I'm going to talk about visualizing CloudWatch logs using the new OpenSearch dashboard feature. This new feature allows direct OpenSearch visualization within CloudWatch with no additional OpenSearch clusters required. There's zero infrastructure management, and the launch date was December 2024. There's a lot of value with this new integration. You get advanced log analysis with zero setup. You get native integration with CloudWatch logs, and it's cost effective. You only pay for what data you're ingesting and storing. There are pre-built dashboards for VPC flow logs, AWS WAF logs, and AWS CloudTrail logs. Keep an eye out. There will be additional pre-built dashboards over time. To enable the CloudWatch OpenSearch integration, navigate to CloudWatch. Then go to CloudWatch Logs, Insights, and from here, click on Analyze with OpenSearch. You have this option, Create OpenSearch Integration. Click on Settings, give your integration a name. Your data retention can be 1 to 30 days. You can create a new role for IAM permissions or use an existing. And then you have this option of who can see the dashboards. You have specific roles, or you can have all roles. And for this example, I'm going to use all roles. Then you confirm, and it takes 15 minutes or so to enable this. Once you've enabled the OpenSearch integration, you can create new dashboards. Let's go through that. Create dashboard. You have these dashboard types. You have VPC flow logs, CloudTrails, and WAF logs. Keep an eye out. There may be additional types over time. You're going to give it a name. If you want a description, then you have dashboard data configuration options. You have frequency of synchronization every 5 minutes or every 15 minutes. Choosing 5 minutes may increase the costs. Please take a look at the pricing to make sure you're aware of that. Then you're going to select your log groups. And once you've selected a log group, you can look at the log samples to see what that looks like. Once you're done with that, create dashboard. Once you have your dashboard created, you will see the dashboard show up here, and you can navigate through that. In this example with the VPC demo, you're seeing traffic patterns, heat maps by top talkers. You're going to see bytes transferred over time, packets over time, and then a series of top talkers. You're now seeing the CloudTrail dashboard, and here you see how many events over time, how many events have happened in that period of time. You're seeing by ID, account ID, categories, regions, and then your top API events. And you're going to get a list of your generating events. Just like with any CloudWatch dashboard, you have various options about your timeframes and your refresh rates. You can refresh every minute, 2, 5, or 15 minutes automatically. You can also narrow down the visible time in these different increments or create a custom time by minutes, hours, days, or weeks. You can choose between UTC or your local time zone on the computer. Additional options are within each of the dashboards to do filtering. For example, if you want to filter by account IDs, you can then apply changes, and now you're seeing just those account IDs. And just as if with other dashboards, you can click and select a particular time range to narrow down what you're looking at. In the event that you want to customize some of these dashboards, under the Actions button, there is an option to view in OpenSearch. This is the standard OpenSearch interface, and in this, you're looking at one of the dashboards. You can edit the dashboard, and at that point, you can make changes to the various elements. For example, if you wanted to change the font size on this number because maybe the number is too large, you can come in here under Options. You can adjust the style of the font size, hit Apply, save it, And now that's slightly smaller, just in case you have a large number there. At that point, you've saved it, and it will update the dashboard in the CloudWatch Logs UI.